Okay, let's begin. So this is story, I'm starting this story in Spanish series for beginners. It will be really helpful. But before we begin, I want to tell you a few things like you can take care of that while watching the video. What you have to do exactly is just read out the Spanish sentences and the meaning, English meaning is just for your visualization. Right, don't try to mug up or don't try to learn that this means that this. Just try to understand and just try to visualize the story. It's a story. The like better you are at visualizing the story, the more good it will be at remembering the words vocabulary, like when the context of vocabulary, when to use, and more you will know how to, like when you know some grammar, foundation level grammar, in Spanish, then you will be able to like make some sentences of on your own. It is not necessary though, but a structure you will get when you will combine vocabulary, some grammar, and then you will also see some phrases, stories. Very helpful. These all are very helpful tips. Okay, let's begin. Lucas y Mateo. Lucas and Mateo. Amigos para siempre. They are friends forever. Lucas, Lucas y Mateo eran los mejores amigos del barrio. They were the best friends in the neighborhood. So Lucas y Mateo eran los mejores amigos del barrio. Try to visualize that. Jugaban juntos todos los días con su pelota de fútbol en el parque. Jugaban juntos. They played together. Todos los días. Together. Sorry, every day. Con with su pelota de fútbol. Football. Su is here used for there. En el parque. In the park. Very simple. So repeat once again. Lucas y Mateo eran los mejores amigos del barrio. Jugaban juntos todos los días con su pelota de fútbol en el parque. Read it like this, pause the video, read it like this 2-3 times, then proceed further. Okay, next slide. Yeah, where is it? Yeah. Un día, one day, a day, Lucas se cayó mientras corría y se lastimó la rodilla. So one day Lucas fell while running and he hurted his knee. Un día Lucas se cayó mientras corría y se lastimó la rodilla. Okay? Then he fell while running and he hurted his knee. Comenzó a llorar, llorar. He started to cry porque le dolía mucho, sorry. Dolía mucho, porque le dolía mucho. He started to cry because it hurted a lot. Then Mateo corrió rápidamente para ayudarlo. He ran quickly to him for helping him. No te preocupes, amigo. Don't worry. Estoy aquí. I'm here. Dijo Mateo. Said Mateo. Read it once again. Un día, Lucas se cayó mientras corría y se lastimó la rodilla. Comenzó a llorar porque dolía mucho. Mateo corrió rápidamente para ayudarlo. No te preocupes, amigo, estoy aquí, dijo Mateo. So read it, pause the video, read it 2-3 times, then proceed further. This will help you immerse yourselves in Spanish. Next slide. Gracias, Mateo. Thank you, Mateo. Eres un gran amigo, dijo Lucas. Dijo means said. You are a great friend, gran amigo. Los amigos siempre se ayudan. Siempre, siempre, not siempre. Siempre se ayudan means friends always help each other. Los amigos siempre se ayudan. Respondió Mateo. Okay, then next, Lucas sonrió Lucas sonrió y cuando se sintió mejor, Lucas smiled at that statement, and when he got better, he felt better at health. Los dos volvieron a jugar. Volvieron means returned to. Volvieron a jugar y reír juntos. They came back to and they started playing together, love together, right? Love together. Porque la verdadera amistad, porque la verdadera amistad es estar ahí en los momentos difíciles y nunca dejar de sonreír. Because true friendship is being there in difficult moment. That's what it is, and never stopped like smiling. They both after this incident. Fin, that's the end of this video. Like this story, how beautiful. Lucas y Mateo, amigos para siempre. Like read it 2 3 times. Read it. Like pause the video, read the Spanish part, read it 2 3 times. Try to imagine it. Write down. If you want to go like much ahead, like really fast, then you can do like read the story 2 3 times. Pause the video, and after 10 minutes you can start writing. So this will also help you in memorizing the vocabulary faster. It depends how you want to take it. There are multiple but see, when you learn a new word, it is like very important to revise them time to time, otherwise you will forget. So do that with this story as well. Like write it somewhere or visit the video again and again. Read them. Try to memorize it. Try to uh, understand the pronunciation. Like read again. The more you practice, the more you get better. Right. I will be posting more stories in Spanish with English meaning. Then do let me know uh, like the feedback of this video. How is it? Right. Okay, then see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.